That side. That's fine. This side. That side. This side. That's fine. Hold on, wait. Go to the slip mode. Come on, play. Out. Come on. Come on.
Hi, my name is Tanishq and I'm at Splinters DJ school.
Tanish, course completed. Happy with your training?
Yeah.
You came out here very much raw out here. You practice a lot and now you're probably at the edge of completing your course. How was your training?
It was very good.
You're happy with your training?
Yeah.
Tanish, what do you do? Which college you're from?
Jai Hind.
Come on, slip mode. Out. Slip mode. Out. Yeah. That's fine. Bending that side. Little bit. That side little bit. That side little bit. Hold. Exit from the loop. Increase the mids from there. Increase the mids from there. Yeah. Press the loop mode out there. Press the loop mode out there. Loop mode. Yeah. 8 beat. Exit from here. Exit. Good. Mids बढ़ाओ इसका. Loop mode. 8 beat. Hold. Press vinyl mode there also. See there where I am practicing. Press both paws together. Press both paws together. There also together. Both fingers down together, one at a time. Down. Yeah, that's fine. You're from Jailand. And your age right now?
16.
16 years of age, right? Every day coming out from a big traveling all the way from Bandra and all that places coming out here at Mumbai at Splinters DJ school. How was your experience out here, training and everything?
It was good.
So which player you liked here the best? The CDG 2000 Nexus?
Yeah.
Yeah, how was the player experience on the player like?
Yeah, it's good. It's the latest and
Yeah, so you have done the club levels. You're happy with your training, Tanish?
yeah.
Tanish, what you plan to do after this training? Are you planning to go in for clubbing or you're just taking it for a passion? You being probably one of the youngest DJ out here to join us Splinters DJ school, what are your plans for future? Are you planning to take DJing seriously or you're just doing it for the passion of hobby or just taking it, just for time pass sake?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure, but you've just done this course just
Yeah.
because you wanted to do all this course.
Yeah.
Okay, Tanish, we wish you the best for the future. Hope in the days to come you really rock hard and you have we had some wonderful experience training you, DJing out here, giving you tips and everything, running your hands on the console and everything, teaching you everything right from the scratch, basics to the higher advance, and we hope and pray and we wish you the best that in the days to come you become one of the rocking DJ and right now the youngest DJ to join us Splinters DJ school. Wish you the best, beta. Have a nice day. God bless you. Thank you. Exit. Let's increase little bit of this one. Extend the loop of there. Good. Loop mode. Extend. Good. Wait. Z effect. Exit. Jet. Go to the next. Off. Go. Off. Next. Go. Off. Next. Good. Off. Bus. Off. Wait. Check all the effects. Come on. Change the effect. Go to the next effect. Come on, use the beat looper, beat cutter. That side. Go. Go. Less. Less. Use this. Go. Go. Extend. There only extend. Come on. Good. 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 Effect off.
Hi, I'm Felicia from Splinters DJ School, Mumbai.
How's your course, Felicia?
My course was very good.
Are you happy with your course, beta?
Yes, I'm happy.
At such a small age, basically, being a DJ, what is your dream? To become a professional DJ or just taking it for passion and just for the sake of just, partying with your friends, playing for parties?
My dream is to become a big DJ.
Wow. Off. Color effects. Good. Both effect. No. This one is normal jet. Don't use the boost. Good. Down one. Off. At this particular age,
Yeah.
you're 16 years of age, youngest DJ at India, youngest female DJ of India. You frequent lots of clubs with your friends, and generally you see lots of DJs playing. What's basically your genre? What music you like to play, and what are you getting trained on?
I like to play techno and psytrance.
And how's generally your training going on right
My
now?
training is going on very good.
Yeah, how's DJ Sur behavior with you?
Yeah, very good.
Treating you like a small kid?
Yes.
Huh? Like a small kid, he's taking care of you and
Yeah.
teaching you everything. Make the effector on this one. Chain from the timing. Beat timing. Cool. Very nice. Superb. Go. Press, press, press. Press this side. Change the effect. That side. Bus. Hold. Hold. Make the effector off. Exit from the loop over there. Play with the slip. Play. Off. Loop. Press the loop button over there. 8 feet. Exit. Slip. Up. Press this over there, same button over there. Here. Press both paws together. Both paws together, pause button. Take both pedals down slowly. The focus for you is a very, the future, and focus for you is a very good one. You seem to be doing up quite well. What is basically the trend which is being played out in the clubs right now? I mean, what is basically
Bollywood house.
and what generally you have been practicing over here at Splinters DJ School?
I'm practicing Bollywood side techno.
Side technos and everything. So today you did a great job of mixing two tracks and everything. And your course is going on fine.
Yes.
Happy with your training?
Yes.
And how's DJ Su's behavior once again with you?
Very good.
Very good. Treated you like a small bacha, taking
Yes.
care of you?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Felicia. We hope to see you in the days to come on the top of the DJing industry, and we wish you the best for the future, better. Have a nice
Thank
day. God
you.
bless you, better. Thank you. Off. Next. Stop. Good. Off. वहां से लूप को एग्जिट कर लो. This side. This side. Bend. it. That's fine. That's it. Go to the effects. Upward. Good. Third. Third effects. Crush. Crush effects. First. Go to the slip mode and play. Good. Loop mode. Loop mode. 8 beat. Bus. Exit. इसका मिक्स बड़ा